Hey everyone, welcome back to another explainer. I am absolutely thrilled to have you here today because we're dissecting a totally fascinating digital phenomenon. Okay, let's dive right into this. We're looking at the Shiba Inu ecosystem, exploring its wild journey from meme to mainstream. So I want you to picture a massive iceberg. You know, the part floating above the water? Well, that's the meme token everyone knows about. But what we're going to uncover today is the absolute Web3 powerhouse that's lurking just beneath the surface.
So, is SHIB just another dog meme? Look, it's a completely fair question. If you've spent any time online over the last couple of years, you've definitely seen the cute dog logo, and you probably just brushed it off as a surface level internet joke. But honestly, if you stop at the meme, you are missing the much bigger picture. That assumption is literally just the tip of that technological iceberg we just talked about. Sure, it's the hook that brought millions of people in, but it is definitely not what kept them there.
Part 1. Birth of a Meme. Origins of the Doge Killer.
Let's track how this all started with these really playful, community-driven beginnings. It all kicked off in August 2020. It was launched by an anonymous creator who goes by the name Ryoshi. And SHIB was directly inspired by Dogecoin and that famous Shiba Inu dog meme. But check out what happened just a few months later. Instead of fading away into the internet archives like so many other jokes, it started gaining massive, unprecedented support from major crypto communities. And fast forward to today, it has achieved true global popularity, heavily fueled by influential public figures online. So those playful origins, they actually did a brilliant job of masking the massive potential of what was really being built.
Moving on to Part 2. Powered by Ethereum, the tech beneath the joke. Now, what's really interesting here is when we officially pivot from the meme hype and dive down beneath the surface to look at the serious, robust blockchain technology running the whole show. To really understand SHIB, you have to understand that it is an ERC20 token. Basically, this is a standardized smart contract protocol right on the Ethereum blockchain. So what does that actually mean for everyday users? Well, it means SHIB isn't just some standalone, isolated piece of code. By choosing the highly secure and widely adopted Ethereum network, SHIB was given an incredibly powerful foundation. It integrates seamlessly into the world's biggest decentralized platforms. It was built from day one to be so much more than a fleeting internet joke. And because of that ERC20 standard, users can actively utilize SHIB. You can store it, trade it, and actually use it across decentralized apps, or dApps, and various crypto platforms. This right here entirely solves the classic lack of utility problem. You see, basic meme coins almost always fail because you can't really do anything with them. But by operating on Ethereum, SHIB inherently possesses the real-world utility required to function within a much broader, functional digital economy.
Part 3. Expanding the pack beyond a single token.
To really grasp the whole Shiba Inu ecosystem, we kind of have to lean into the canine theme for a second. They didn't just stop at one token. They actually expanded the pack, revealing these much deeper multi-token layers to the project. SHIB isn't just one coin. It's a complex multi-token economy. First, you have SHIB, which is the foundational base token that everyone already knows. But then you have Leash, which is utilized strictly for staking and creating scarcity within the ecosystem. And finally, there's Bone. Bone is the governance token. That means it allows the community to actually vote on proposals, and it's also used for earning rewards. So what we're looking at is a highly structured tri-token economy perfectly designed to balance utility, scarcity, and community control.
Which brings us to Part 4, Building Shiba Swap. Decentralized Finance Unleashed. Let's move along and see how this actually builds out. Because what do you do with a tri-token economy? You have to build a place to use them. So how do people interact with Shiba Swap? Well, it's a simple process. Step 1, users swap their tokens right there on the decentralized exchange, trading directly with one another without some big middleman getting in the way. Step 2, they can stake their tokens to actively support the network's liquidity and security. And step 3, for doing all of that, they fetch, yeah, pun fully intended there, and earn rewards using those exact Shiba ecosystem tokens we just talked about. It is a fully functional decentralized finance, or DeFi mechanic.
Part 5. Entering the metaverse. Digital real estate and NFTs. We are now heading right to the very bottom of the iceberg, revealing SHIB's incredibly ambitious and expanding footprint into virtual worlds. I mean, just look at the sheer scale of the evolution here. On one hand, you have its meme beginnings, right? A fun, community-driven token literally inspired by a picture of a dog. But then, on the other hand, you have its metaverse future. We are talking about an entirely new platform where users can buy virtual land, collect non-fungible tokens, and actually participate in immersive, community-driven experiences. Why does this matter? Well, because it marks a massive transition from simply holding a digital currency to actively participating in digital ownership and virtual community building. It's a real game changer.
Part 6. The power of community. The bottom line. So, the absolutely crucial point here is that none of this technology, literally none of these tokens or decentralized exchanges, would matter at all without the massive collective of people standing behind it. Just to summarize this unbelievable journey, the Shiba Inu project originated as a completely community-driven meme coin. From there, it successfully scaled into a robust DeFi ecosystem through ShibaSwap. Then, it entirely expanded its horizons into Web3 via NFTs and the metaverse. And today, the whole shebang is sustained by massive ongoing digital innovation. What we're looking at isn't just another cryptocurrency. It is an absolute masterclass in how a dedicated community can drive real, layered digital innovation. Which leaves us with this final thought. When a community successfully turns an internet joke into a massive, multi-layered, decentralized economy, what on earth will they build next? It's kind of mind-blowing to think about. The Shiba Inu ecosystem proves that in the wild world of Web3, community is, without a doubt, the ultimate utility. I really hope this explainer helped you see past the meme and understand the serious mechanics humming beneath the surface. Keep questioning, keep learning, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.